name is Namkyu, a lovely green and yellow budgie chick. Today, I'd like to be your model. Try drawing a picture of me.
Today, we're going to draw this bird together in my style. Before starting, I'll observe and study the bird's anatomy, focusing on its shape, posture, and movements. I begin with a simple pencil sketch of the bird, using geometric or freeform shapes as the base. Once everything feels right, I add detail and clarity to specific areas as needed. For this piece, I'll be using watercolor with the wet-on-wet technique. I won't be adding too many details, just enough in key areas to make them stand out. Let's begin drawing together. Start by wetting the surface with water first. Apply a light wash for the first layer and gradually build up the intensity of color layer by layer. I'll add the finer details and sharpness at the very end. And that's today's sketch. If you enjoyed it, please like, hit the bell, share, and subscribe to show your support. Thank you so much.